After being granted a new murder trial tonight, lawyers for Kennedy cousin Michael Skakel are working to get him out of prison soon. Hi, everybody. It was just yesterday that a Connecticut appellate court judge granted Skakel a new trial in the murder of his Greenwich neighbor Martha Moxley back in the 70s, ruling that his old lawyer botched that case.
He's been locked up for a decade, and tonight his new lawyers already in motion trying to get him out of prison, but the state doing what it can to stop that from happening. News 8's Bob Wilson live in Rockville, where that paperwork is being filed. Bob?
And the legal battle continues, and this right here is the petition for bond, and in it, Skakel's attorney now, Hubie Santos, says that they're asking for $500,000 bond so he can be released on that. And interestingly in here, it states that back in 1998, when the grand jury proceedings first went on, that he didn't flee. And they say that, as a matter of fact, he flew from his home in Florida to Connecticut to surrender himself. And they also said that the petitioner has a 14-year-old son. Skakel has a 14-year-old son. And during his time in prison, he has been actively involved in rearing him as active as he can be from prison, as well as maintaining a good relationship with the community. And they are saying that he does deserve another shot at bond to be released. Meanwhile, the state saying not so fast. They are going to appeal it. They say they have 20 days to file an appeal to keep him behind bars, to not get him a new trial. And they say, bottom line, that there was a strong evidence tying him to a motive, that he uncontestably, he said, yes, he had access to the murder weapon, and also he did 3 unequivocal confessions. That's what came out in the first trial. They said they believe that the attorney, Mickey Sherman, did not botch that case, that this is a strong case. They won it, and they showed his guilt. We'll have to see how it plays out. Now, coming up tonight at 6 o'clock, we have the judge's response. The big question is, can it even be heard here? What's the timetable for a hearing on bond? If it should be heard here, we'll all deal with that coming up tonight at 6 o'clock. I'm Bob Wilson reporting live in Rockville, News 8.